Every photo you take on vacation might hold a secret waiting to be decoded. A new field of science called Imageomics is teaching machines to read biology directly from images. Researchers at The Ohio State University are leading this effort through the Translational Data Analytics Institute, founded in 2021, with support from the National Science Foundation. The idea is simple but powerful. Photographs from camera traps, satellites, drones, and even tourist snapshots are more than memories. They are data points that reveal how living things look, behave, and evolve. Machine learning can now scan these images and pull out biological details that human eyes often miss. At the heart of Imageomics is a big question. How do the visible traits of an animal, its patterns and colors, connect to the genes hidden in its DNA? Tanya Berger-Wolf, who directs the institute, says scientists are on the cusp of linking observable traits directly to their genetic code. Consider butterfly mimicry. Some butterfly species evolve to look like others, so predators leave them alone. The differences can be nearly invisible to us, but machine learning can spot the subtle shifts in color and pattern that set the species apart. Scientists can even alter images of butterflies to test which changes might fool a predator in the wild. That turns artificial intelligence into a tool for creating brand new scientific ideas. The bigger goal is conservation. By connecting appearance to genetics, Imageomics could help protect endangered species and safeguard their habitats for generations to come. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.